Welcome to the brand new 2025 Shasta 532 bed. This thing has 2 queen beds, 2 separate rooms, and an office. Washer and dryer connections, on-demand hot water heater, solar prep with the solar controller, and an outdoor entertainment space. Come check it out. As you follow me into the space, you'll see in the front we have a nice queen bed, huge dedicated closets with hanging storage space, plus power and storage for your CPAP machines or anything you need at night to help you get more comfortable to sleep. Couch folds down into a bed, your dinette will make down into a bed, fully optioned kitchen, double stainless steel sinks, tons of overhead cabinet space, microwave convection oven, we got a 3-burner stove. What really makes the Shasta RVs stand out from the rest is they come packed with all the features that are important. On-demand water heater, so you can be taking a shower, you can be washing clothes. You always have hot water, never run out. We option all of our Shasta RVs with washer and dryer, and as you can tell, I don't have the AC on. Burning, we are sweating our tails off. Huge bathroom. Let's step into this space back here. Another fully dedicated queen bed and room for an office. Imagine the possibilities. If you don't want this bed here, you can remove it. Tons of storage. Keep your dogs in here. People, you have pets, this is a great space for the pet. Work from home, this is a great second office. If you're like me and you're sitting out here sweating through your shirt, if that's how you like to go camping, keep your drinks right here. It's nice and cool. You don't drag the dirt into the RV. Secondly, if you love cooking outside and you have a hibachi or a gas grill that's seasoned perfectly and you love taking it with you, we got a quick connect down here that ties you in, and now you're tied into the main propane system. There's no need for dragging around those propane bottles. You get all of this in a very small package, only weighs less than 7,500 pounds. This RV, as optioned, MSRP is over $57,000. We have it on sale just over $34K. We have in-house financing options. We have an easy pre-qualification process, and we have our own dedicated in-house finance team. So if you're thinking about an RV, this is a great one for you. Give us a call or check us out at savarv.com. And this is the 2025 Shasta 532 beds.